ABC Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have speaking practice using rooms in the house. Are you ready? Let's begin. Where's Jane? She's in the kitchen. Kitchen. Where's Cha? She's in the closet. Closet. Where's Troy? He's in the study room. Study room. Where's Rhea? She's in the laundry room. Laundry room. Where's Shane? She's in the bedroom. Bedroom. Where's Ted? He's in the yard. Yard. Where's John? He's in the bathroom. Where's Jay? He's in the dining room. Dining room. Where's Steph? She's in the garage. Garage. Where's Max? He's in the attic. Attic. Where's Ben? He's in the living room. Living room. Where's Mary? She's in the kitchen. Kitchen. Where's Karen? She's in the hall. Hall. Where's Dad? He's in the bathroom. Bathroom. Where's Carl? He's in the living room. Living room. Where's Donnie? He's in the dining room. Dining room. Where's Beth? She's in the bedroom. Bedroom. Where's Jenny? She's in the laundry room. Laundry room. Where's Peter? He's in the study room. Study room. Where's Mom? She's in the closet. Closet.